Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about AI tool which is especially for literature review. So it has 5 different templates for literature review. So let us go on to today's video and explore our AI tool. Go to Google and type LMS Research Support. So it leads to the page here, our website. So in this you will be having an option called AI Chatbot. So you can click that AI Chatbot. So you will get different LMS AI templates. So these are the different AI templates associated with our AI tool. So here you can see starting from summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content. For literature review alone you will be having 5 different templates. So starting from literature review, it is a instant literature review. So just to click on that. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you have to copy and paste 5 references alone. So here in order to check, so you can go on and take any random paper. So in this paper you can copy and paste any 5 references. It will generate a instant literature review with the main findings and limitations associated with the particular papers. So here you can see I am going to copy and paste the content here. So then click on literature review. So let us see how it will generate the content. Here you can see that our literature review is generated. So reference 1, so it is all about the reference 1 main findings and the limitations associated with the particular paper. So like that you can see for reference 2, reference 3, reference 4 and reference 5, and there is 5 references only we have added. So it is how the literature review is generated using just to copy and paste the references. It will generate particular content for you. So the next one is that I will close that one. The next one is that, so you can see here detailed literature review. So click on detailed literature review. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you can copy and paste the title. For example, we will explore with the example. So in that what I am going to do is, I am going to copy and paste the title of the paper. So here you can use this title of the paper and then go on and copy and paste the abstract of the paper. So here paste the abstract of the paper. Next you can see the introduction part of the paper. So just to click that paper and you can copy and paste the introduction part. Here you copy and paste the conclusion of the paper. So these are the content you have to copy, that is title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, conclusion of the paper. So after that you can give literature review. So let us see how it will generate our literature review. So it will give a detailed literature review. It will give the summary of the paper, main findings of the paper and limitations associated with the particular paper. If you want a brief literature review, especially for review paper writing, so you will get this kind of content. So here you can see so this is the summary of the paper and you can see the main finding of the paper and the limitations associated with the paper. So like that you can make a detailed literature review using this template. So the next one is that you can see chat with paper. So click on the chat with paper. So in this what you have to do is you can copy and paste the content of the paper and you can ask any questions with the paper. You can copy and paste any content. For example, if you want to analyze the abstract of the paper, you can copy and paste the abstract of the paper. For example, if you want to paste the conclusion of the paper, I have copied the conclusion of the paper. So here click on submit the text, submit text of the paper. After that what are the future trends or future scope of the paper. I can ask future scope of the paper. So I have copy and pasted the conclusion. So from that conclusion, what are the future scope of the paper? So and then click on ask questions. So it will generate a content. So like that you can copy and paste introduction part of the paper, or if you want to analyze the technical details of the paper, you can copy and paste the technical details. So thereby AI will answer for you. So here some of the future scope of the particular paper is generated. Here you can see this is how you can copy and paste the content of your reference paper and analyze your paper very better for your literature review. So you can make use of this option for review paper writing. So next one is that you can see chat with PDF. So click on chat with PDF. So here you can see this is what chat with PDF for research. So here in this what you can do is you can browse any of your PDF files, that is after that you can copy and paste the files. So after that you can ask any questions here. For example, I am going to ask this questions, means you can copy and paste the question in this window. After that you can give ask. So it will generate the questions, answers for the questions we have asked. So these are the possible questions can be asked in the paper. So this itself is enough for you to make a brief literature review. So if you are not satisfied with these questions, you can ask your own questions here. So AI will answer for you. So here you can see we have asked for abstract of paper in 2 lines. It has generated the abstract of the paper in 2 lines. So like that you can make use of this option and already available questions to analyze your paper. So if you want more answers to be need from that particular paper, so you can ask any question related with that particular paper. AI will analyze and answer questions for you. So the last one will be the reference to content. So here click on reference to content. So it will lead to the web page here. So in this reference to content, so this is the reference to content. So in this reference to content, so you can add 5 references as we have did in that instant literature review we have seen before, the first option. So copy and paste the 5 that is copy and paste the 5 references and you can give the citation style. For example, I am going to give it as a API style. So after that you can click generate content. So it will make a automatic literature review, so with the proper citation. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see, so here the authors discusses the strategies, regulations, institution that has shaped Qatar's approach to environmental sustainability. Here you can see the citation Al-Habibi 2023. One area of focus is to Qatar is that like that it was given. So here you can see Banikyu Hunati about conducted an analytical feasibility study based on the potential for solar panel installation in Qatar based on generated to consumed electrical energy indicator. So here you can see it is cited. So here you can see it is cited. So like that every paper is cited here. So here you can see this paper is cited and then this paper is cited here. So like that every paper is cited. So you can make use of this option to get a instant literature review automatically with the proper citation, including with some of the introduction points. So make use of this option reference to context to make your research paper writing very easy.